Today we're going to learn how to turn into metal. First, pretend to turn into metal. Making your own sound effects doesn't hurt. Then open up Adobe Premiere Pro, drag in your clip. Make a copy of your first layer by holding down Option or Alt on the keyboard and dragging it up. On the bottom layer, find part of the video where you're not in the shot, right click and add frame hold. This will give you a blank slate. Create an endpoint by pushing I and out point by pushing O on the section you want to change into metal. Export this section. Go to a site called RunwayML. Log in or try it for free. Choose Remove Background. Add your video. Click on yourself to add a little green dot and select. You can create as many green dots as you need to select all of you. I like to go frame by frame to make sure that I look like a green alien the entire time. You can exclude areas that shouldn't be included as well. When you're done, click Done Masking and Export. You can go back to the home page and click Video to Video Generation. Select your exported green screen video and drag it in. Click on the presets here and choose Metal. Reduce the strength to around 60% and click Preview Styles. I like this one. It kind of looks like I grow a weird mustache. So I'll generate a video. Once the video is done, I can go back to the home page and I'll need to remove the background again. I know, it's kind of dumb. And you know just what to do. Select yourself and remove the background. Once you're done, download it and bring it back into Adobe Premiere Pro as the top layer. Add the Ultra Key effect to the video and use this dropper to select the green part. And you can draw some masks using this tool here, and you can animate their opacity and feather to make the metal version come in how you would like. I also threw in a few robotic sounds, and I even added a camera shake by throwing on an adjustment layer on top of everything using the transform effect and animated my position and scale over the duration of the video. Turn to metal? I think, like, why would you need to turn to metal? I don't know, just something like, now I'm Metal Man. If you want to see my movie about a superhero who changes powers every day, click right here.